Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing this cat machine maker. This is the Junior Operator Worksite. You can build classic cat machines or create your own. It's got easy take-apart play. This set has 12 different pieces including a figure and a screwdriver. We have a bulldozer with a crane. Wow, check out that bulldozer. A boulder is also included. Let's open it up and check it out.
I need to get to the job site. Let me get into my bulldozer. Ah! My bulldozer is in pieces. What am I gonna do?
Can we help the construction worker fix his bulldozer in time? Let's find out.
Oh, I don't think you can do it.
Sure we can, Mr. Construction Worker. Let's give it a try.
Yay!
Look, we have the top part of the crane. It's equipped with the boulder grab. Push the button and you can open it. It looks like a claw. Let's see it grab the boulder. Wow, it did a great job. Let's put the base on so it won't fall over. We're building the crane. Let's screw it in tight. Wow, so cool! It moves up and down and turns all the way around.
That's a great looking crane. But where's my bulldozer? I've got to get to work and my bulldozer is still in pieces.
Let's see. We have a blade, a chassis, some treads, a cab for our construction worker, and the engine compartment with the exhaust. Ooh, let's put it all together. First, we take the chassis. Let's put on the treads. It's looking pretty good. Let's keep building. Let's put the blade on next. The blade is on. Where's the engine? Wow, it's nearly done.
Are we done yet? I really have to get to work. Oh
no, we have to finish. Let's hurry. Time to put on the cab. We're all ready for our construction worker. Let's let him get inside. Oh, now I can get to work. Thanks so much for helping me. The crane is working so hard. Let's see if the bulldozer made it to the job site.
Thanks everyone for helping me fix my bulldozer, and thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.